Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about the best stretch for scoliosis. Now, scoliosis is kind of a curvature of the spine, and this stretch is very, very unique. So let's pretend we're looking from the back at a person and they have kind of a C curve in the upper back, and then it goes to a C curve on the lower back. So you would think that you would want to stretch this out by bending him to the left, right? It makes sense because these are tighter. The muscles on the right are tighter than the left. But that's not how you do it. What you want to do is you want to stretch the person this way into the concavity, okay? And then the lower part, you want to stretch them into the concavity the opposite way. I'll demo this on someone, but that way when you stretch these muscles over here by going this way, it will send an electrical signal over to the tight side, and it will relax the tight muscles, and it allows for it to come back up. Now, scoliosis is usually, if it's an adult, it's kind of a permanent thing, but you could do these stretches for a lot of relief because people with scoliosis have a lot of muscle tension. Their back is in a constant spasm. So definitely you want to do this. So let me just show you how to do this on a person. Okay, guys, I'm going to do this demo. I actually changed my shirt here, you can see. So let's just pretend that she has a curve this way, okay? It's curving this way. Now, you would think that you would just need to stretch her back over this way, and that's not how you do it. What you want to do is you want to get on this side, and you want to get someone to do this. And you grab the upper back here, and you take your thumb and you press into the concavity, just like this. Now, you could probably, if you were by yourself, what you could do, you could take a foam roller and put it on this side and lay like this. So you actually exaggerate the curve, okay? Now, if it's curved the other way on this side, we press it down like this. And again, what you would do is you would lay down with the little foam roller on this side to exaggerate and make it worse. Because what we want to do is when we stretch the spine into where it's curved into the concavity, when we stretch that, we're actually stretching the muscles on this side. Okay, and this is sending little neurological signals to this side to allow this to come up, to relax. Because when you have a scoliosis and it's curved on the side that's convex, that's where you have the spasm. It's real tight, it's pulling down. So all we have to do is we have to, it's kind of counterintuitive, but we're going to stretch this side, it stretches, stretch to this side, it stretches this side right here, it sends signals and it starts to open this up. So you're going to give the person a lot of relief because it's not going to necessarily straighten the spine out perfectly, but it will help. Now, if you can do this when they're very young, it works really good. I mean, you could actually possibly reverse scoliosis, but normally people had it for a long time, so you just want to give the person a lot of relief, especially because of all the muscle spasm through there. So remember, wherever the curve is, so you would want to look on an x-ray or just look in the mirror and see which way it's going, or have someone feel the spine. And always stretch into where the curve is concave, okay? Don't try to straighten it up. And put your comments below. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.